See, we party dirty, they had to send us out that we should go. So I already started out this vlog long ago. I just remembered I haven't done my intro, but today is just going to be me enjoying and just hopping around town. Okay, it's night and this is my third location right now, and I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. The rest of the clip will come up, you know, later on, and I just wanted to catch up on you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. We are in the city of Makati and we're about to shut it down.
Life is hard and stressful. Whether it is trouble with family, friends, at the workplace, or perhaps the inability to even find employment in simple things. There are many factors in our lives that are more difficult to deal with. But anything that is worth having is worth working for. Accept past mistakes. Allow the knowledge you carried afterward to make you a stronger and wiser person. The only problem is if you keep on repeating these mistakes without learning at all. While it is easier said than done, it must be done. You cannot alter history. As devastating or hurtful as the past can be, it is the future we look toward and can impact. Remember that whatever you are doing should be geared toward making a brighter tomorrow rather than reminiscing the past. The second most popular reason that prevents people to be happy is the lack of courage to step out of their comfort zones. The person who spends his life hesitating is someone who is not brave enough to move a step forward. The purpose of life is to live it, to taste experience to the utmost, to reach out eagerly and without fear for newer and richer experience. Even if you aren't the person you'd like to be today, love yourself and send love to the person you're working so hard to become. Live every day as if it were going to be your last. Simply enjoy life and the great pleasures that come with it. I enjoy life when things are happening. I don't care if it's good things or bad things. It means that I'm alive. If you go around being afraid, you're never going to enjoy life. You have only one chance, so you've got to have fun. Do anything you want. But be sure that it would lead to happiness rather than regrets. Do what makes you happy. Be with someone who makes you smile, laugh as much as you breathe, and love as long as you live. Enjoy life. Have fun. Enjoy the little things in life, for one day you may look back and realize they were the big things. 20 years from now you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the things you did. Quit hanging on to the handrails. Let go. Surrender. Go for the ride of your life. Do it every day. The future is important to plan for, but it is important not to obsess about it to the extent that you ignore the present. Remember, the only way to get to the future is living each day and every day of your life. However, no matter what you have or what you do or how great your circumstances, if you are not happy with it, it won't mean much. Slow down and enjoy life. You miss the sense of where you are going and why. Simply relish the pleasures that come with every new experience.
I don't want to lie or cross the line, yeah. Baby, know you fine, come through tonight, yeah. Long as I'm alive, I make you mine, yeah. Move your body, shake, I'm hypnotized, yeah. I don't wanna lie or cross the line, yeah. Baby, know you fine, come through tonight, yeah. Long as I'm alive, I make you mine, yeah. Move your body, shake, I'm hypnotized, yeah. Baby, just give me, give me, give me that, give me, give me, give me, give me that, give me, give me, give me that, give me, give me, give me, give me that, give me, give me, give me that, give me, give me, give me, give me that, give me, give me, give me, give me that, give me, give me, give me, give me that. You go right for me, baby, come closer. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm in love, say baby, got the don't want to lie or cross the line, yeah. Baby, know you fine, come through tonight, yeah. Long as I'm alive, I make you mine, yeah. Move your body, shake, I'm hypnotized, yeah. I don't wanna lie or cross the line, yeah. Baby, know you fine, come through tonight, yeah. Long as I'm alive, I make you mine, yeah. Move your body, shake, I'm hypnotized, yeah. Baby, just give me that, 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 give me that. For me, baby, come closer. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm in love, say, baby, got devotion. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You go wine for me, baby, come closer. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm in love, say, baby, got devotion. Around my necklace, them chips coming off. Dividing all my checks, bitch, ain't got time for talking. Armani on my wrist, all this sauce got me flousing. Pull up with the drip, got that shit that get lost. She be tryna cuff, but these hoes just revolve. Make that booty shake, got that shake, take precaution. Bout to hit them cakes, let her lick off the frost. Bout to hit the bank with the stack, feeling awesome. Bout to hit the bank, hey, hey. About to hit the bank with the stack, feeling awesome. About to hit the bank, yeah. About to hit the bank with the stack, feeling awesome. About to hit the bank, yeah. About to hit the bank with the stack, feeling awesome. About to hit the bank, yeah. About to hit the bank with the stack, feeling awesome. Lot of niggas heckling, that shit ain't gon' change. Ain't got no direction, they think this is thing. Grinding got me restless, I dust off the pain. Ain't the one to mess with, they can't reach my lane. All these girls texting, they all tryna hang. Tryna be my main and they don't know my name. Always on a plane, need vacays off the land. Always making moves, need that cash in my hand. About to hit the bank, hey, hey. About to hit the bank with the stack, feeling awesome. About to hit the bank, yeah. About to hit the bank with the stack, feeling awesome. About to hit the bank, yeah. About to hit the bank with the stack, feeling awesome. About to hit the bank, yeah. About to hit the bank with the stack, feeling awesome.
Feeling good, feeling great. Hey, feeling great, feeling good. Feeling good, feeling great. Hey, feeling great, feeling good. How are you?
Every day I think about you. Got me going round, got me throwing thoughts around. I've been thinking about you when you was around. Got me thinking about you every day. I think about you. Yeah, yeah, hold me down, baby. You be looking so tasty. You so different when you're around me. You be holding me down so lately. Yeah, 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 wait. Come around, drop those panties to the ground. The man, they got you freaking throw it to the ground. You be acting like there ain't nobody around. But baby, it's just you and me around. All these Maggies got me.
Wow. You guys, the fact that I made it this morning, I don't know how, but I made it, you guys. I made it this morning. If you're new, hello, I'm Jane. Welcome to my space. So I'm just going to give you guys a rundown of this vlog. Okay. Yeah, this vlog just started out. It's something that I didn't plan. It was such an unplanned thing. It just happened. My friends came around yesterday and they were like, oh, let's go out, let's go, you know, chill somewhere and all that. So we ended up going bowling, and when we went bowling, the slot was full, so we had to wait for like another hour for our turn. And so they went ahead to play like table tennis. I went to do the basketball thingy. I was just having fun at the game park, like just having the best time of my life. And after we're done, we decided to try out this hidden bar called Alibi in Alabank. It was so beautiful, but trust me, it's a place that you just want to go on days where you're having like a private dinner, just you and somebody, just go there to talk. It's not a place that has like a lot of vibes like that. It's actually pretty tush. Drink was great. We had one shot there, and it was just like, it's not the vibe we're trying to go for today. And we zoomed off. Before I knew it, someone else joined us, so we're now 4 at this point. And we went to, what's it called, we went to Makati. And you guys know that Makati has the nightlife, Makati BGC, but we didn't offer BGC. And when we went, it was bomb. Like, we went back to unwind. You guys know that I've been to unwind before, I've vlogged it before. So we went back there, although the drink they gave me was low budget. Okay, the last time I had their drink, I loved it, so I went back and I ordered the same thing. The drink was the only thing that was low budget. And then we had shots there in unwind. We had like 8 shots each person. Was it 8 shots each person? Remember, we had shots already in Alibi, so like we're already gone by the time we were leaving unwind. And then we ended up in Saharat, around Population area. So we went there in Saharat, and you know, the DJ was lit. It was DJ Spectrum on the deck, you guys. We partied and everyone went home. The truth is, I was so drunk. I don't know how I got to my house, but I got home. Like, I got home and it's already like past 1 and I'm just waking up and getting my life together. I don't think I've had that much fun in a long time, and I was just with people that I was safe with, so I knew that regardless I was still going to get home. See, we partied until they had to send us out, that we should go. That we should go. They sent us out, okay? They were like, these people, if we leave them here, they are not ready to go home. So they told us to go in unwind, and then after we came out, we're like, are we really gonna get grab and go home? No way. We found our way to Sahara. Like, it was just pure vibes, and we hang out. We actually used to hang out once in a while, so we don't see every time. So like, we see once in 2 months or that kind of thing. So it was really a pretty good one. I'm sure this one is going to last for another 2 months or thereabout. So I'll catch up with you guys, you know, later on. I'll just let you guys watch the rest of the video. I just decided to do this intro because I don't think that video has an intro. I really don't think so, because I told you guys, the way I vlog, I just vlog, and wherever I stops, it stops. Wherever I continue, it continues. So I always just say welcome back to my channel at any point that I think I need to. Okay, bye guys.